In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font and adjust text size. To get started, first click directly on the text you want to edit. This is an important first step, because the formatting options usually only apply to the text box, heading, or section that is currently selected. Once you click on the text, you should see that it becomes active, which means the editor is now ready to let you make changes. Next, look for the font drop-down menu. In most editors, this appears in the top toolbar and shows the name of the current font. Go ahead and select that drop-down. When you open it, you'll usually see a list of available fonts. Some platforms may organize them by style, such as serif, sans serif, or decorative fonts, while others simply display them in one long list. Now choose a different font from the menu. As you browse, keep readability in mind. A more decorative font can look nice for titles or short headings, while cleaner and simpler fonts are often better for body text or anything that needs to be easy to read. Once you click on a new font, the selected text should update right away so you can preview how it looks in your design or document. After changing the font, the next step is to adjust the size. Find the text size control, which is often located near the font drop-down in the same toolbar. You may see a number displayed there, and depending on the editor, you can either choose a preset size from a list or type in a custom value manually. Increase the size if you want the text to stand out more, or reduce it if it feels too large for the layout. As you make these adjustments, take a moment to check the overall balance of your text. The right font and size can make a big difference in how polished and professional your content looks. If the text is for a title, you may want it larger and more eye-catching. If it's for a paragraph or caption, keeping it neat and readable is usually the better choice. And that's it. By selecting the text, opening the font drop-down, choosing a new font, and adjusting the size, you can quickly improve the look of your text and make it better suited to your project.